Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about something I picked up yesterday at the store. I'm a really big fan of Trader Joe's products. They are always good. They never let me down. They're always super tasty, and it's made with pretty good ingredients. So normally I would buy Nutri-Grain bars, which I think are delicious too, but these are definitely on the healthier side if you guys like compare and contrast the ingredients. And these are really yummy too. So these are Trader Joe's blueberry bars. So on here it says this blueberry walks into a bar. Kind of cute. Cereal bars. They are low fat. They have a bunch of different flavors as well, like strawberry, which I bought, which I really like too. I think they even have pumpkin ones, if I'm not mistaken, for the season. I wasn't into trying that, but maybe next time I'll be a little bit more adventurous. Serving suggestion, I believe the serving suggestion is 1 bar, but we'll find out when we go to the nutrition facts. So these are Kosher, Quality Assurance International Certified Organic, 1.3 ounce, 37 gram bars is 7.8 ounces or 222 grams. They are made with organic grains, no hydrogenated oils, and they are a good source of 6B vitamins. And they contain selenium. On the back side here, on the side here, it says the expiration date January 23rd, 2019. The barcode on the back. And then on the back here, we have a little bit more about the nutrition facts. This shows you what it looks like inside the wrapper. The nutrition facts, serving size is 1 bar, 37 grams, servings per container 6. Calories 140, calories from fat 20, total fat 2.5 grams, saturated fat 0 grams, trans fat 0 grams, polyunsaturated fat 0.5 grams, monounsaturated fat 1.5 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 90 milligrams, potassium 30 milligrams, total carbohydrate 27 grams, dietary fiber 1 gram, sugars 16 grams, protein 2 grams, A 0%, calcium 2%, thiamine 10%, niacin 10%, folic acid 10%, selenium 50%. Vitamin C 2%, iron 2%, riboflavin 10%, vitamin B6 10%, vitamin B12 10%. We have here the ingredients, blueberry filling, organic cane syrup, blueberries, fruit juice concentrate, pear, pineapple, apple, peach, apple powder, tapioca starch, glycerin, natural flavor, pectin, citric acid, locust bean gum, color, red cabbage, organic wheat flour, organic invert cane syrup, organic cane syrup, organic expeller pressed canola oil, organic oat flour, contains less than 2% of organic oats, organic wheat bran, natural flavors, organic wheat gluten, organic honey, organic non-fat dry milk, cream of tartar, sodium bicarbonate, soy lectin, sea salts, carrageenan, color, annatto, turmeric, nutrient blend, selenium, hydrochloride, vitamin B1, riboflavin, vitamin B2, pyrodioxine, hydrochloride, vitamin B6, cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12, folic acid, vitamin B9, niacinamide, vitamin B3. Sorry, struggled with some of those there. Contains milk, soy, and wheat. Distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's, Monrovia, California. Certified organic by Quality Assurance International. Don't worry, if you don't have a Trader Joe's by you, you can order these very easily online. And then this is the last side. What do you get when you cross blueberries with the cereal bar? A delicious anytime treat that's ideally suited to an active lifestyle. Whether you need a quickie breakfast, a fast snack, or just something to tide you over until your next meal. The real punchline here is that these bars are made with organic grains and none of those dreaded hydrogenated oils. Very unfunny. Our cereal bars are jammed with delicious fruit fillings, and like other popular bars, ours are individually wrapped for convenience. They are also low fat, low sodium, and contain selenium. No joke, these bars are really tasty. I'm going to open them up so you guys can see. Okay, so just opened this up, tore the package, very easy. Broke this open and look how yummy the inside filling is. It's delicious, nice and chewy, fruity, the perfect snack. So I hope you guys will try out Trader Joe's blueberry cereal bars. I hope you love them, and I thank you guys for watching. Have a great one.